Listen, either you are a swing trader, day trader, intraday trader, or scalpers, none are good for you. I repeat, none are good for you. Listen to this video to know this best trade type of trading style that is best fit for you and for your personality. Thank you. All right, welcome. Welcome everybody. As I said earlier, that you're a scalper, a day trader, intraday trading, the intraday trader, and a swing trader. I will explain everything, don't worry. I want you to know that none of them are good for you. Yes, I repeat, none of them are good for you. Until you know these three things I'll be telling you right now. So I want you to follow me and listen attentively. Now, first of all, let me explain what is scalping and what is day trading, intraday trading, and swing trading. First start from scalping. Scalping is all about this type of traders that enter the market and looks forward to either spend 5 to 10 or 15 minutes in the market, or 30 minutes, highest 30 minutes in the market, make their profit and they go. These are the type of traders. Why day traders are type of traders that what intends to look to the come to the market and spend a couple of hours and go. Why intraday traders spend much more hour and go. They look to the market, spend much more hours in terms of their setup, their profits, their take profit and everything. It takes them longer hour and go. And why swing traders are those traders that come into the market probably Monday alone, and then set up, shoot, and by the time the market might eat their profit in the next couple of days, 2 to 3 days, or 1 week, depending on how the setup is, and they go. Can you see now? So I will tell you. So day traders, why scalpers? Time frame for scalpers, this kind of scalpers that come to the market 10, 15, 30 minutes and go. The time frame that is best suit for them is 5 minutes. Some people even consider 1 minute. 5 minutes, 15 minutes, 30 minutes, because of what they want to scalp and just go. Why? But I will advise that even though you're a scalper, the best time frame you should always consider is what? 4 hours. At least come to the bigger time frame. Though you want to scalp, you just look at the overall, look at the bigger time. What's going to happen at least in the next couple of hours or before you come into your minutes. You get. So that's what I advise scalpers. Even though you are scalping, you want to spend just 10 to 15 minutes in the market, scalp your profit and just go. Suitable pair that is good for such people is what? Gold. Am I talking? Gold, because gold can move in the next of 5 pips in normal pair. 5 pieces of gold is like 50 pips. 50 pips are already giving you what you need for the day, and you are done. So do you understand? So best pair that is good and is suitable for such people is what? Gold. That is scalpers. However, many believers, many beginners and amateurs always start out as a scalper. I myself started as a scalper. Yes, I must tell you that, because of what we always look at the market as let me make my profit and just go. When it's coming back to you, you don't even know what is called pullback. You don't even know what is called retest. You don't even know what the reaction of the market is doing. You don't know structures. You don't know what is obeying before it moves. You don't even know that. You just want to see it move. Once it's going, any small pullback, you want to believe the market is reversing. You don't know when it's reversing, when it's pulling back. You just take profit and you go. So that kind of scalping, everybody does that a lot. People come into the trading market, trading journey as a beginner, comes as a scalper until you get yourself, until you get to know your personality, until you get to build yourself, you get to learn, you keep yourself with the skills in the market, you get to keep yourself with skills a lot more. Then you begin to know that, okay, I can hold much more longer. I can be a day trader. I can be an intraday day trader. I can do swing trading. Stuff like that begin to come into you, and you begin to have much more confidence in holding, and of course in determining how long markets will go in your prediction. So that's for that. So we have started with scalpers. Good. And this is the pair that's suitable for them. And the time frame they look out for. Time frame is 5, 15, and 30 minutes. But mostly I advise my students that want to become a scalper. You always check 1 hour, 4 hours. To look at the trend, just determine the trend, to predetermine the trend of this market, and look at their further lower time frame to now get their buy buyers or their sell buyers. Am I talking? So that is for that. That one is clear. Now let's go to day trading. Day traders, guys, their time frame mostly for day traders is 15 30, 1 hour, and 4 hour. Am I talking someone? 15, 30, 1 hour, and 4 hour. According to the 4 hour bigger time frame, do not forget that this market requires you to always do top-down analysis. There is nothing, they don't need to keep emphasizing on this. The best trader that win the market most wins with higher time, wins with those with top-down analysis. You get. So top-down analysis will help you to look at the market from the top down to the bottom. So you're able to determine and predetermine your bias. Am I talking? You can't just enter 15 time frame and just just know you'll be wrong. You might do that as well. You'll make profit for a while and then you'll just because of what you do not know the direction of the market. So everybody is always advised to always do what? Either you're a scalper, you're a day trader, you're an intraday trader, and a swing trader. So always advised to always check in your top-down analysis. We have done that series of times. You can watch our video to watch that, how to do top-down analysis. And if you don't know that yet, you can join our community, our family. We teach that often times in our free trainings and a mentorship that we do. So if you are not, I want to use this opportunity to invite you to our family. Look at the link below in my bio and join this community. We have a large community on Telegram. You can join us and learn much more and much better. Okay. And as well, if you're just watching this video for the very first time, I want to congratulate you and I want to wish you welcome. Thank you so much for watching our videos. I hope you have been learning so far. So I want to urge you to subscribe, like, and then of course, put out a comment if you have any questions on this. Thank you so much, guys. Cheers. So let me continue. So for day trading, those traders, guys, look at what 15, 30, they don't know look at 5. 15, 30, 1 hour, and 4 hour. They start with 4 hours. That is what top-down analysis. So you always look at yourself. Well, I will not tell you why you should choose. Anyone should choose according to your personality now. Now we are going there. Let me explain everything for you first. So you know the one you have been doing and the one you have not been doing. I think I fall around here. So that's good. So that's for day traders. And of course, what they come into the market to catch at least 30, 40, 50, and much more like that. Why scalpers come to the market to just scalp 30, 20 pips, 10 pips for the day, that's all. But all per positions, all per trading, all per pair, all per each of the market, anyhow. So that is their aim. Good. Why intraday traders? These people start their market from daily, 4 hour, 1 hour, and 15 minutes. Can you see that the time frame is becoming more bigger? Scalpers just for 5, 15, 30, 1 hour. Can you see scalpers? And you can attach power anyway, it just depends on them. That is scalpers. Why day traders? 15, 30, 1 hour, 4 hour. Can you see that's 4? Why intraday traders? 15, 30, 1 hour, 4 hour, and daily, that's 5. Can you see? Can you see that the time frame is getting more bigger and it's going more higher to higher time frames level? So that is how. That is for that those traders they look out to catch at least 50, 40, 50 and above pips of such market. So they will always start it's always advisable to start their analysis, the top-down analysis from daily. Then they come to 4 hour to look at the trend, 1 hour and determine when 30 and then 15 minutes to look at entrance. Am I talking someone? So that's for that. So so let's continue about that's for day trader, right? Okay, awesome, that's good. Awesome, that's for day trader. Awesome, good. So let's go to intraday trading now. Yeah, good. Intraday trading. So these people intraday traders are type of traders that look at for 60 pips and above, 70, 80, 100. Actually, they only want 20 pips per day. Do not forget that these traders also come into the market per day. Daily, they come to the market. That's why they call intraday traders. So they come to the market per day to catch at least about 50 to 60 pips, above 50 pips. While day traders look around 40, 50, 60, 70. But intraday traders look much more beyond, and they can hold their market for like 1 day or 2 days, at least more than 24 hours, if likely. Good, that is for that. And the best time frame for them is what? I've said it, 15, 30, 1 hour, 4 hour, and then daily. Why swing trader? These are guys that can hold traders, that can hold trades for 2-3 days, and even possible 1 week, depending on the setup and how such market is. They come to the market, and of course they can do their analysis on Sunday and then look into the market for the week and just come into the market. They start their analysis from mostly some that want to consider setup for a week. They can come to the market monthly, weekly, daily, 4 hour and 1 hour, they find a hunting around 1 hour. Why some will consider weekly, that is if they want to do a bit of swing and day intraday trading, you get, they can describe the analysis from what? Weekly, daily, 4 hour and 1 hour they find their hands, or 30 minutes they find their hands. Am I talking? So which one are you? Let me know the one you have. Type it in the comment section right now. The one based on my analysis, my explanation, I've just given to you right now. Let me know the ones you are and you have always been doing subconsciously. Probably you have been doing a scalper, you have been a scalper, calling yourself an intraday trader, or you're a day trader calling yourself a swing trader. You do not know. So let me know in the comment section which one you are in the comments below. So that is for that. These are the time frame to look at for, what are the type of traders we have in the market and what they tend to catch. Good. Now, how do you now determine which one do you belong to? Good. Now, I said earlier that all of us, we all belong to what? We belong to what? I don't know. As I'm concerned, while I was starting out then, I was a scalper. You know, I was scalping a lot until I come to understand some things and I can hold my trade. Come on, this is doing a pullback, doing a retest. You want to retest and respect this line. If this can closes like this, I will no longer hold. I will close my trade. If it's not like that, I will do this. I will do that. I will still close. I will hold it. I will still wait. You know, you just get more information. You know about candlesticks. You know about what the market is doing. You're no longer new. You're no longer naive about everything that is happening in the market. You get, so you are well equipped with knowledge and experience. So that is for that. So how to know who person you are now? Do not follow anybody. Oh, you have a mentor here or a mentor there. My mentor is a scalper. My mentor is a swing trader. I want to become. It's not by that. This game is a game of personality. It's a game of yourself looking inwardly, knowing who you are. Then like it will reflect. Because I tell people that market is not. This market is not a business of you looking for customers or you look for clients. Is look inwardly. That is why you have to deal with greed. You have to deal with discipline. You have to deal with patience. You have to deal with, because you have to deal with so many things that is inwardly. So if you are not patient, market has taught me. I knew I wasn't patient. I'm not a patient person from the onset. I'm not. The market has taught me, even though sometimes I still have to follow my trading plan, I still taught me some patience. You know, that is true. So you know you are greedy. I never knew I was that greedy. The market taught me that, bro, you are fucking greedy. I will have made some profit, you know. You are fucking, so you know, market will reveal to you that, bro, you are fucking greedy. And it was then I knew, man, I'm fucking greedy, man. I had to tell someone that if your pastor seems to be a pastor, you're a imam or whatsoever, is this, is that. Let me text the person with the market. Let the market come to the market and let's see. Let him make some profit and let me see. That person, such market will reveal what your prophet or what your pastor or your imam is lacking. That is not intelligent person to reveal it. That is not a patient person to reveal it. But that is a good person to reveal it. So wherever you are, by reality, market will reveal it for you. You'll be able to know. So I know that so much more well that I was very greedy guy. So very greedy. I always want to make much more. Not okay with little. Very greedy. So it's not about because my mentor is this, my mentor is that. So definitely I should also be this and that. No. You can copy your mentor's strategy, can copy your mentor's ways of style of trading, everything. But in the place of determine being type of trader is based on your personality, based on you have to look inwardly. You have to look inward. Who am I? What do I do? What am I into? Am I a 95 person? Do I really have an engagement daily? Am I a student? Am I a copper? Am I having a program? I'm running a master student or a PhD student? Do I really have all the time, all the luxury of time for myself? You know, you have to consider all those things. These are the times that will determine your personalities, your attitude, your habits, your activities, and everything that will determine who you are. Because activities, your personality, it will reflect who you will be able to choose as what as type of trade and the activities that you do daily. These are the things that will determine. For example, now if you are a 95 person rather. You know, you go to work and come back very tired and everything. You can just swing yourself to become a swing trader. Not a swing trader that is always catching 100 to 150 pips that will come back to the market in the next 2-3 days. A swing trader that can come back to the market, look at the setup that can give you 1 week, 200 to 300 pips and get your stop loss. If it is 50 pips up loss, 70 pips up to catch 200 pips or 3, it's not a bad one. Come to the market by 5 once you come back from work, check if you hit your TP or not. Or be checking it in the office. When it's no longer valid, you take a profit and you are cool. That is another type of trader. If you're a trader, you know you are very, you cannot hold. You just know yourself. or you are not good enough to be holding, or you have tried to really hold and it or keep getting back. Whenever you hold today, market will get your reversing and wipe all your profit away, all the $1, $2, $200, $500 profit, $10 profit, to wipe it away. Whenever you scratch your stuff, you tend to make money. That is who you are. Don't you say yourself until you have grown, you have developed, you have built capacity, you have built that potential, you have built that ability and everything to hold. That is when you have moved from being a scalper. I told you earlier that I wish to be a scalper before then, and I moved to be a day. Now I'm an intraday trader. I can hold trade for 2-3 days. I'm not just a day. I'm not a day trader. I don't assess myself as a day trader because I start my analysis from daily. So I look at the daily, I look at the sometimes I look at more weekly as the time may be, daily, weekly, and at times then I go down. I find my entry 15-minute time frame. Sometimes 30 minutes. What 30 minutes and 15 minutes telling me? Then I find my entry, then I hit. That's all. So I'm an intraday trader. Day trader and intraday trader. Sometimes I do day trading, sometimes I do intraday trading, but I'm not a swing trader. I just know that I'm not a swing trader. Am I talking? So you should be able to know yourself. I discovered myself that I moved from being a scalper to this. So you should also know who you are. You can move. You can, in fact, if you have been losing as a swing trader, come back to day trading. If you lose as a day trading, come back to scalping. If you lose as a scalper, come back to intraday trading. So switch yourself, develop, look inwardly, look at yourself, look at what you can do, look at what is yourself, look at your person, look at yourself, look at your personality, look inwardly, look at your activities, look at how much more you win whenever you do this, how much more you lose whenever you do this. These are the things that will help you to determine who you are in the market, and all of these things will reflect your profitability journey. The market is so volatile, it's so wide that many things, it affects many things. People just think it's just about click and buy. It's beyond that. It's beyond click and buy. Understanding yourself first as a person of this will help you make more profits. I've seen someone that is killing it as a scalper. By the time he tries to be a swing trader, he's not losing money. You see, and I've seen someone that is a swing trader, he's trying to scalp. He doesn't make any money. Shit, he doesn't. So it's not because he doesn't understand markets or doesn't understand analysis. It's just because of what? It's not your personality of a thing. So this market requires a lot more personality. So I believe this has been able to open your mind and open something inside of you and teach you how you can learn how to become who you are in the market. Am I talking? If you get value today, thank you so much, and give this video a thumbs up. Do not forget to always subscribe and follow us on our YouTube channel. Don't forget to like and drop a comment. If you are not in our Telegram, you're missing a lot. I want to urge you, you're missing a lot. Join us today with job signals, training, spec education, and lots more that you definitely enjoy and be able to know. Thank you so much, guys, and do not forget, enjoy your rest, enjoy your weekend, and bye for now. Peace out, guys. Thank you.